So I'm Tim Rowland, the CEO of Badger Technologies, and we're really looking for ways to leverage robotics in the retail environment. So we've been working on a couple use cases. The first one is actually examining floor conditions, let's say in a supermarket environment, and looking for trip hazards or spills or things that have fallen off the shelf, identifying that and then telling somebody to come clean it up and then verifying that it's actually been cleaned up. Second application is what's happening at my shelf. So running down the shelf, as you'll see behind me, looking for price tags. Are they accurate? Is the marketing planogram been executed the way it should be? And finally, is the stock presented in a way that I have product available, that I'm checking for out of stocks? So we believe the value to the retailer is giving visibility into their store locations. So we have dreams at headquarters of how things ought to be stocked and treated and customers greeted. What's really going on in the store? And we think sometimes there's a gap between the corporate dream and the execution at the store. This has now given me visibility into the store to know what to improve. And operational excellence, flawless execution in the store is going to be vital to their survival, quite frankly, in the future.
I'm Fred McCoy. I'm the Senior Vice President of our Retail Global Business Unit. We are the brand behind the brand. We enable a lot of the technologies that you see here to come to market. Jabil acquired the rights to the Badger technology about 3 years ago, and we've been developing it as a product platform solution for the grocery retail market and with extensions into other markets, and leveraging a lot of the capabilities of Jabil from design and manufacturing to get to a price point where it's a cost-effective solution for retailers. So we're seeing a lot of movement in the buy online and pick up in store and alternate business models that stores are trying to enable. Having accurate inventory, having other delivery mechanisms like intelligent vending platforms, having electronic shelf labels enable that experience for the consumer and for the third parties that are fulfilling orders.